The ethnarch stopped moving, staring wide-eyed at the gun. His palms were sweating. The nice people are called the culture. And I always did think they were too soft. He stretched his arm out, holding the gun. I stopped working for them some time ago. I'm freelance now. The ethnarch looked speechless into the dark, ancient eyes of the barrel of the black gun. I, said the man, am called Sharadanin Zakalwe. He levelled the gun at the ethnarch's nose. You are called dead.